Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Ceratopsian and Sypha's channel.
Yay!
Today's our first anniversary. It's been a year now. We started back in the 1st of December of last year. And today we got a special guest. We have Cousin Aldre. Woo! And Sypha's right there. Just got back from school and we are talking about the beast of the Mesozoic, AVACERATOPS. Yep, we will compare it to Mattel's Jurassic World Epic Evolution, AVACERATOPS as well. We will see the difference of their own variants. Yep, we'll check it out. So first things first, we check the box. It's nice and green. Oh yeah. It has Lamercy right there. It's brand new, still sealed. Alright. So we have this Pachyrhinosaurus, Cosmoceratops. We have this downstairs. This will be our next Beast of the Mesozoic review. So this is the one we have right now, and we don't have this yet, the Regaliceratops. Alright. So let's unbox it. Alright. Alright, first things first, I'd like to say thanks again for the non-stop support. Thank you so much, guys. For the subscriptions, the likes. Oh, it's still sealed. Yeah. Alright. Wow. This thing. Alright. Oh, there's our card. Alright. There he is. Alright, let's open him up. Yeah. Oh wow, okay. Okay, that wire's pretty hard. I don't know why that wire's so hard. I don't want to damage our dinosaur. There we go. Alright, oh no, there's one more. One more. There you go. Yeah, he's free. Now we bring up the tail. Let's put the tail on. Alright, it's in. Okay, let's check him out. Nice green color. He has blue eyes. We can open them. Can we open the mouth? Yeah, but not all the way. That's it. That's it. Okay, the body can move. There you go. Nice. Now we will compare to Mattel's AVACERATOPS. Okay. So, let's check out the face first. Okay, so Mattel has a little bump on the nose part right there. But Creative Beast Studio doesn't have it. The horns, it seems like this one's a little narrow, this one's wider. Then the head, the frill has horns for here, but Mattel's AVACERATOPS doesn't have it. It's all flat. You see that? Now going for the legs, the hoofs. You can see Mattel has another claw over there, a small one. Another side as well. Right there. But Creative Beast Studio doesn't have it. None. Looks like it doesn't exist here. Now let's check their body part. I don't know what this is, but it has a little back on the, like something on the back. I don't know what that is. This one doesn't have it. It seems flat. The tail part. Okay, nothing obvious here. Of course, Mattel doesn't have any articulation on the legs. It does not move. Just here. The tail just swivels like that. Here's the DNA scan. Yeah. So there you have it. Looks like the eyes is bigger too. So our two AVACERATOPS collection. Yeah, I might get another one to do a repaint. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Our next topic would be, I think we should do what should be the next one? Yeah, an epic evolution. We have the Papasaurus downstairs. We haven't reviewed that yet. Alright. So, once again, we'd like to say thank you for the love and support. And don't forget to click the subscribe and like button, guys. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye-bye.